Unraveling English. Mastering collocations and idiomatic expressions. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we are diving deeper into the fascinating world of English language learning. We're exploring adjective plus noun collocations, but not just any ordinary collocations. Today, we're diving into collocations and idiomatic expressions. This is a vital aspect of advanced vocabulary that will help you sound more fluent and natural in English. So, are you ready to add more color and nuance to your English conversations? Let's get started. When we talk about collocations and idiomatic expressions, we refer to specific combinations of words that are often used together in idiomatic expressions. Idioms, as you may know, are fixed expressions with a meaning not deducible from the individual words. For example, the idiom, a piece of cake, doesn't refer to a real cake, but rather, it means that something is easy. Now let's explore some of the most common adjective and noun collocations used in idiomatic expressions. 1. Blind eye. If you turn a blind eye to something, you intentionally choose to ignore it or overlook it. 2. Cold feet. If you get cold feet, you become nervous or hesitant about doing something that you had planned. 3. High hopes. If you have high hopes, you have great expectations or are optimistic about something. Understanding the meaning of idiomatic expressions is one thing, but using them correctly in context is another. Let's take a look at how to use our examples in a sentence. 1. Despite knowing that the students were cheating, the teacher turned a blind eye. 2. I wanted to audition for the school play, but I got cold feet at the last minute. 3. The team has high hopes for winning the championship this year. The best way to master these collocations is to use them frequently in your conversations. Try to create your own sentences using these idiomatic expressions. It might feel a bit challenging at first, but the more you practice, the more natural they will become. That's all for today, folks. We hope this video has been enlightening and that you're excited to start incorporating these adjective plus noun collocations and idiomatic expressions into your English conversations. Remember, practice makes perfect. Keep using these expressions and you'll sound more fluent before you even know it. We can't wait to see you in our next video. Until then, happy learning!